So, what's up? Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. So, for today's video, I am going to conduct an interview for my friends. For what her experience about getting loan, isa lang ang masabi ko, arat na. Ito po yung aking i-interviewin. Siya ay si Wenelin E. Tabla. Maayong buntag, ma'am. Pwede to ka ba ma-interview about sa pag-avail mo ng loan?
Oo, ma'am.
So, ma'am, first, ma'am, ang tanong na ako, ma'am, ng imo name, age, and location.
Oo, ma'am. Ako si Winilyn Tabla, ma'am. Taga Maitom. 32 years old.
So, ma'am, what type of loan did you avail?
Educational loan, ma'am.
Na nga sa ma'am, educational loan na nimo gi-avail?
Para ibayad ko sa tuition sa ako bata.
Then, pila sa ma'am animo ya kuan na loan ya avail?
Sa kuman, 5,000 pa na ay, ma'am.
Ay, so, what is the term or only termino ba ini ma'am sa imo? What is the terms on your credit, ma'am?
6 months na ako ginakuha, man. Kay para sa makaya raman bayaran.
So, how much the interest, ma'am, of your loan?
6.28%, ma'am.
Example, ma'am, kung 5,000, ma'am, pila yaon ang kuan? Ma-loan. O pila ang interest, rather?
Kung sa 6 months, kuan siya 6.28%. 8 times na rin mo siya sa 5,000.
So, what is the mode of your payment, ma'am?
Kuan, sinima na, weekly siya ginabaydan, ma'am.
So, upon availing that loan, ma'am, yay by benefits sa imo and especially to your family.
Oo, kay tungod sa ini na loan, kaya na ako ipalit ng kuan mga school supplies sa ako bata or makabayad na sa bako sa tuition fee niya.
So, thank you so much, ma'am, for allowing me to interview you. Thank you. So, after interviewing Miss Wenelin Tabla, my personal views for her answering those questions, it is very sabotable sa hinunan niya explanation like sa iya pag-avail ng loan for her needs for her kids para sa iya bata daw tuition, pambayad ng tuition. Yag-avail siya ng isa ka loan which is the educational loan. So it is very helpful sab kay nakatabang sab sa iya panginahanglan, which is ang interest na sab nito, capital niya is 5,000 for her loan and the interest rates is 6.7% in the 5,000. So which is 335 pesos rather for the interest for her availing the amount. So affordable na sab siya kay gamay na sab. So and the next is for the last question, I did not include to the videos, but we all know that which the credit insurance, tanan sa pag mag-avail kita ng loan, any kind of loan, naisagid pagkatawag na credit insurance, which is kanang pagkatawag na mga insurance if something accident happen for yourself, maimo madawat na insurance, makatabang sa bito gihapon sa imo pagkuan, di ba, kay sa imo loan sa yadto. For the last is ang ako da sa kuan, very helpful sa inyo siya, but kung kuan kita mag-avail kita ng isa ka loan, which is dapat ato siya magamit nato siya into a business. Why? Because after we establish business for the capital availing the loan, so dili kita maglisod pagbayad for weekly, kay naa siya ato makuha na ginansya or halin na ato pag kuan tukod na isa ka kuan business. But dili lain sa lagi kita ng idea, so it's up to you na kung ano na kuan. That's my learning for this subject, which is credit and collection, is this very important that we learn about credit and collection. Why? Because for nowadays, we all know that some of people have credit, which is it is very important and very helpful to us. So if we availing this kind of credit, so we need to know what are those policies, and also what are the benefits, and also the risk for this credit. So that's good that I have this subject, because I have a lot of learning about this, what are kinds of credits and what are the types of credits. So that's all my learning, and it is very understandable and understanding for this subject. So that's all for my video. I hope you like and understand my video. Thank you. Bye bye.